If someone asked me how we spend most of our time in Canada over the last 3 years, my answer is simple. We were at the park. Whether we were traveling or just staying home, we always looked for nature. On sunny days, you could find us at the school playground, walking through our neighborhood, or exploring a local trail. My youngest daughter loves walking more than anything, and sharing those strolls with her has become one of my greatest joys. Our journey with Canadian parks started at Kariya Park near Square One, right by our first temporary home. It was our first taste of peace in a busy city. Once we found our permanent house, Streetsville Memorial Park became our new backyard. We spent so many evenings walking the tracks at nearby schools and getting to know the streets of our neighborhood. If I had to pick our absolute favorites, they would be Meadowvale Conservation Area and Erindale Park. We've had countless picnics on those wide green lawns, and my kids loved having the space to just run free. We've spent many cold afternoons sledding down the snow hills there. We even bought a yearly membership to Conservation Halton, visiting beautiful spots like Crawford Lake, Kelso, Rattlesnake Point, and Mountsberg for weekend family outings. Canada has world-famous provincial and national parks, but sometimes they are so big it's overwhelming. For us, the small neighborhood parks are enough. We recently moved to a new house, and now we are right next to Sugar Maple Woods. It's become the main trail for my daughter and me. Back in Korea, going to a park often meant a parking war, but here, nature is just a few steps away. I'm so grateful that my children can grow up surrounded by this much green space.